Hey there, in this video we're exploring vaccines. It's understandable why vaccines are easily mistrusted. They provide benefits only in the longer term and sometimes cause short-term conditions like temporary fevers. The biology of the immune system is somewhat complex, and so the general public understands vaccines relatively poorly, and combined with often being compelled to take a vaccine by authorities, this is a recipe for creating mistrust. Further, vaccination is often a conscious decision that requires determination, where you have to register and wait for your turn before being poked with a needle to no immediate effect, unlike, say, a cure or a painkiller. This explains why it's easy to choose to do nothing, and this also gives rise to the argument made by some that vaccines have not existed for most of human history and we were perfectly fine then, therefore they are not necessary now. Certainly, they're not necessary to survive, but vaccines have saved many people from death and are a large part of why the average life expectancy across the world is almost double what it was just a century ago. With that, how do vaccines work? Vaccines work by training your body to respond to microbes without causing a full infection. This is accomplished by introducing components called antigens that the target viral or bacterial species has. Your immune system recognizes the antigens and launches an immune response, including specific compounds called antibodies that bind to the antigens, recognizing the foreign invader and triggering more immune responses. Specifically, some cells called memory B and T cells serve as a chemical record of the event, remembering the triggering antigen and what antibodies worked against it. In the event that the same antigen is detected in the body again by these cells, the body can then confidently launch the same response that worked previously, but at a more rapid and larger scale. Gaining this memory of microbes from an infection is referred to as acquired immunity. So a vaccine gives you acquired immunity by presenting a vital part of the relevant microbe, such as a substance on its surface, without introducing the entire live microbe. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the details of several myths about vaccines, some of which are not entirely unfounded. There are plenty of lessons for science communication and policy to be learned from the field of public health and epidemiology. Thanks for watching.